Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Jenn Witaconis. I'm a yoga instructor in the Tampa Bay area, and we're going to do some core exercises today. So let's get down to the mat to start. This is more of a phase 2. We did a phase 1 video that you can check out already, and so we're moving into phase 2. You can try this out and take breaks as needed. Okay, so we're starting out in this wide positioning. All right, let's start out with the stretch first. Spinal stretch, inhale, reach up, lengthen through the crown of the head, and then exhale. You're gonna forward fold, okay? And so wherever your hands meet the mat is where you are with lengthen your spine. So you don't wanna round the spine, you wanna promote good posture. And maybe the hands will slide forward as you breathe. Inhale and exhale. Feeling the inner thighs open. Take an inhale, come on up. All right, and we'll work on a side stretch. So the left knee will bend, exhale. Catch with the right hand the left shin. Inhale, left arm reach up, exhale, side stretch to the right. If you don't get your right foot, don't worry about it. Okay, just keep your top shoulder down and back. And we just want to feel the stretch, feel the left side body beginning to open. We're just awakening the body a bit. Okay, so come on up on your inhale and then reach your right hand behind you. Okay, and we're gonna lift the hips. So lift, okay, engage your glutes a bit and keep your right shoulder over your wrist. Take your left arm into it if it feels okay. Exhale, come down. You can use your core as you get into this. Lower belly pulls in, and then inhale, reach and extend. Exhale, come down softly. Inhale, and exhale, come down. All right, we're gonna switch sides. Okay, bend the right knee, left hand catches the right shin. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Exhale, lean to your left, okay, and take your right arm over. All right, and again, keeping that top shoulder down and back to promote an open chest. All right, come back up. On your inhale, wave your left arm behind you, exhale. As you lift the hips, pull the lower belly in, support the lumbar spine. That gets core engagement too. And left shoulder stacked over wrist. Take your right arm into it if you can. Okay, exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower it down. Okay, extend both legs now once again. Okay, and inhale, reach up. On your exhale, we're gonna drop the hands down. In the first video, we spidered the fingertips and we kept the legs lengthened and extended them up. Now we're going to try to lift the hips and the legs. So you wanna shrug the shoulders forward just a little bit. All right, and you can even bring the legs in a little to make it easier. And we're gonna try our initial lift up. So, like so, inhale, bring the body weight into the hands. Okay, if this felt pretty impossible to do, level 1 is just lifting the booty. Okay, lower belly pulls in again. Also, you can use 2 blocks here to help you in the lift. Right, so we can try this with blocks too. And you maybe wanna do about 3 to 5 breaths to start. And you come up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, come back down. Okay, we'll switch sides. And you can point the toes or flex the feet. It's just stretching different muscles in the legs, okay? So pointing the toes always seems more inviting for me for some reason. I don't know why, but you can do either one. So we'll try this side now. So shoulder shrug forward a little bit, pull the lower belly in. And you're going to inhale and lift. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. If that felt easy enough, let's just try. See what it feels like to either lift the booty or the whole body up without the blocks. Okay, like we tried on the other side. So to help this a little bit more, if you want to lean forward as you shrug the shoulders a bit, pull that lower belly in. Inhale. And up, and come down, okay? You bring the legs in, This one's called L-sit. Again, this is another dynamic movement that can seem a bit difficult at first, but if you keep trying, keep practicing, you get better and better at it. So let's try it with the blocks first, actually. The blocks should be placed a little bit forward of your hips, okay? And you're going to fold down. The shoulders will shrug forward a little bit, and the lower belly once again engages as you breathe. So it's an exhale and an inhale up. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. If that felt easy enough, you can release the blocks and try it without. Okay, so exhale down and inhale up. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale down. Okay, and then we'll cross the legs at the shins. Take an inhale, come forward onto hands and knees, and step back plank. Exhale. Okay, from our plank pose, you want to get an engaged core here. So lower belly, again, I'm gonna say it again, it pulls in, keep it tight. Booty out of the air. Okay, inhale and exhale down onto your forearms. Shoulders stacked over the elbows. Let's take an inhale and start to tiptoe up into what's called dolphin pose. Still, you have that stackage. You want to keep it here for safe protection of your rotator muscles here, or your rotator cuffs. All right, so if this feels okay, now lift the right leg. Inhale and then exhale, crunch to center. Inhale, exhale, crunch to center. Inhale, exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift, and exhale, drop the right foot down, tiptoe away from the arms, forearm plank. Take an inhale and exhale. Good. On your inhale, come back up and lift the left leg. You can stay here or exhale, crunch to center. Do the same thing. If you did it on one side, do it on the other. Exhale, crunch to center. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. One more time. Inhale, extend, and exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend, and exhale, lower the left foot down. Okay, let's tiptoe away from the forearms. Inhale and exhale. Just take a break in child's pose for just a few breaths. So you'll set your hips back towards your heels, extend your arms, and if you want to, you can soften your forehead to the mat. So we're about to step back into plank, but before we do, I just want to let you know I have a free gift for you. If you scroll down below, you'll see the linked comment. It's 15 isometric exercises. I think you'll really enjoy it. It'll build upon what you're doing here today. Okay, and so let's step back. We're in our plank pose. Okay, strong plank. Again, so pressing the floor away from you, booty out of the air. Okay, lower belly tight. Inhale and then exhale, come down onto the forearms. Right forearm first, then left. Okay, we'll walk up into dolphin pose. Get your shoulders stacked over your elbows. Okay, you can hold here. If it feels secure enough, lift your right leg though, okay? Inhale and then exhale, crunch to center. You want to make sure that you keep those shoulders stacked over the elbows to protect your rotator cuffs. Crunch to center. Inhale, extend, exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift, exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift, and exhale, lower the right foot down. Okay, we're gonna tiptoe away. Come into your forearm plank once again. Inhale and exhale, keep breathing. Okay, we'll take an inhale, come back up. This time, lifting your right leg. And if you feel okay with this positioning, I want you to see if you can hop. Just the left foot lifting up off the ground, inhale. And then exhale when you get the left foot back down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, drop the right foot down. Tiptoe away from the arms, okay? Keep breathing. Take an inhale. You're tippy-toeing back up into your dolphin pose. Get comfortable with your alignment, or as comfortable as you can. And then lift your left leg. Exhale, crunch to center. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower it back down. Keeping that lower belly tight. Tiptoe away from your arms. Okay, forearm plank. Let's go for it. Inhale and tiptoe on up. Lift the left leg again and see if you could take those hops. Inhale and exhale. As the right foot lifts, inhale. Exhale, right foot down. Inhale, lift. Exhale it down. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down both feet. Let's take child's pose. Drop the knees down. And you're gonna lower your forehead. Soften it to the mat as the hips come towards the heels. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our sequence. I know I did. And don't forget to scroll down and check out that pinned link below. It's that video, 15 isometric exercises. You'll really enjoy it, I think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.